Alright, what is up guys, and welcome back to another video. Before we begin, please do like and subscribe, it really helps out the channel, so go ahead and do that down below now. We are just taking a quick look at Polygon here, and as we can see, looking like we have finally made that move after that decent, continuous coiling motion that we did see. Obviously after we came down back inside this Fibonacci level, the 050, sitting at around 97 cents. I was waiting for the back test of that level after breaking down here, consolidating, and then finally we came up a few days ago. You can see this massive wick. We come all the way up and tap straight into my short position, which was on exactly that 050 level there. You can see it got tapped into and the trade was opened here. Came back down, and then obviously you can see here probably coming back up now, a little bit of a bounce to the upside here, probably heading up towards this for a retest in my opinion. You can see obviously it's pretty simple. Came down to support, that lost support, and now coming back up to retest as resistance. Really simple chart structure, and now really I am looking for basically a retest here and a very nice rejection. Probably come back down halfway, back down into the range. I'd say at the least probably come down and do something like this. Now that we have entered this trade, I'd be looking to take profits probably back inside that previous level of structure here. About halfway down the range is probably a safe bet. And then obviously if we do get back down towards the bottom of the range here, I'll be taking a long position as well. But right now the short position, just chilling in a little bit of profit, waiting to see what happens next. I'm fine to allow this just to play out. I think it's probably just going to come up to this, bounce into it a few times, and then maybe get a rejection at least back down to that previous level there. But right now, Polygon, just like a lot of cryptos, in a little bit of a bearish trend. And really we are waiting for Bitcoin to head to the upside, if I can actually type, before we do see ourselves heading up. But you can see here Bitcoin doing some weird funky stuff as well. Technically still in a bit of a downtrend here, but coming up, running up to this previous level here that we were stuck under. You can see lots of rejections here. We get the overextension, and then we start to come back inside it as resistance, and you can imagine Bitcoin heading back down towards this level here if we do get a big rejection in this area. Obviously Bitcoin right now really just has been chilling, chopping it sideways in a bit of a range. Maybe a little bit of a descending wedge actually, which would be interesting. But we will see what happens next. Bitcoin doing some quite funky stuff right now. And I'd say, Polygon here, looking like it's probably heading up for another rejection and then a rollover, hopefully to my profit target. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.